وزیر دفاع خواجہ آصف کا کہنا ہے کہ دہشتگردی کے واقعات میں سرحد پار عناصر کے ملوث ہونے کے شواہد موجود ہیں. پاکستان نے دہشتگردی کے خلاف بہت قربانیاں دی ہیں.
And then we have Afghanistan, which for last 3-4 decades has become a net exporter of violence or extremism or terrorism to the region and beyond. Pakistan has made an unwavering commitment to creating a world free of terrorism and extremism. It is important that terrorism is eradicated from its roots. Pakistan's clear policy mindset as structured in the National Action Plan, National Internal Security Policy, and National Counter-Extremism Policy guidelines have significantly curtailed the space for terrorist organizations. All relevant state institutions in Pakistan have played a commendable role in eradicating the scourge of extremism.
स्टार न्यूज जियो पाकिस्तान के लिए.